This is the Songbird Rebuilt Sewing. Now, this is part 3, how to make a pair of pants. How to make a skirt, with a pair of pants that are too big. So this is what I did. I opened them up, cut them open, used this skirt of mine that I love that fits really well to measure. Okay, that was part 2. And I took my measuring tape, which is here, and I used the measuring tape to measure the skirt that fits me really well with this skirt, to know where to cut off the edges. And it's 22.5 inches for me across. So anyhow, I did that. Might have to make a little bit more adjustments as I go along. And I pinned it here. I put pins in it. Okay. And also what I did was I moved the string is over here, which was the front of the pants. This was the front. So now, see 2 holes, that was the front. So now, since I'm using the side, I actually put a little hole here on the top, pulled this string from the side. Now I'm gonna stick this inside of the hole that I pulled this one out of, okay, which is here. And I need 2 hands to do it, so I'll have to pause this. And it's a little hard to just push it through that way. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach a safety pin, nice size safety pin, to here. And then I'm going to stick it in here in this hole. And that'll make it easier for me to ease it through from the inside. I'll use my fingers to ruffle it, push the ruffles back and forth until it comes out on this side. So I put the safety pin on it, and now all I have to do is ruffle it back and forth to get it to go through. And that works. So this is the way you want to hold it and squeeze it through. Try my best to put the phone where you can see what I'm doing. There it is. And here it is.
Come on. I'm about to lose it now, boy.
And all I have to do now is even up the 2 sides. So basically I put it on the other side, but I really wanted this to be the back because there's a pocket here and a pocket here. I'm gonna make this the front, so now I have to pull that string. I have to put the safety pin back, oh it's still there, and pull it both ways all the way back around to this side, which only has 1 pocket. So I'm gonna pull this through. I just made a little hole so I can reach the rope and I can pull it through. As you can see, I was having a little bit of a hard time because seeing how I'm using the side as the front, and there was a tag here. I had to wrap my hand up. I have arthritis, but you know, for a second it stopped me. But I'm not going to let it stop me from doing when I have a good idea. So I had to put a couple of holes to go along the way to make it easier for me to keep pulling through, grabbing it, pulling it through. Right here, it was kind of sealed. So I'm using the scissors to go through the little holes that I'm making, and to get around this part that was sealed, sewn from the inside, and so that I can get over to this point. Yay, finally. Oh, good God, I had to put the ace bandage on for my thumb. Felt like it was going to come off, to squeezing it and trying to get that in there. Okay, so finally I got that where I want it. And it's there. This is exactly where I want it. This is the front of my skirt, okay? It's the front. And I'm going to have to turn it inside out to sew it. You know, my skirt right here. Got my little front zipper pocket for change. In the back, I got the two pockets. Got the two pockets in the back. Got the regular pocket. I don't know if you can see it. And I got the zipper pocket. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure that line comes down the middle of the skirt. And as you can see, it's much narrower. You don't see the little puffy part that was sticking out the crotch. Okay? And, of course, I'm going to have to hem it. And I'm going to have to turn it inside out to sew it, of course. And so the pieces that I cut off, which was the crotch and everything, which is here, I'll probably end up using it on my scarf to make it match my scarf on the days when I wear this skirt. I have a couple of pieces here. I'll sew them together and make like a little headband. And I also have the bottom of the pants, which I'm going to cut open. And when I cut that open, it's going to be wide, but that's another part because I'm going to make a vest with that. Peace, love, and light. Part 3. How to make a skirt out of a pair of pants that are too big and too late to take back.